Break ID number 5733. 2018 National Treasures Football. One box break. Go. Crown Royal basketball is down to 2. Panini 1 is gone. Sometimes that's all it takes. Illusions, which we just got back, is down to 7. 2 free spots, Russell GR, Joshua HA. And there is another one of these up there. First one, Devontae Adams to 75. Anthony Munoz to 10. Julio Jones jersey to 99. Falcons. John, CM. For those of you that are adding funds to your account through the Add Funds link, you're also getting a bonus. That is now automatic, so when you do it, it's in there instantly. Jumbo jersey, it's upside down. Jumbo jersey, Jalen Samuels to 99. Can you have the box? John, send me an email. Pittsburgh. Kevin, P.O. Dual patch to 49, Ray Lewis. Baltimore. Sandy, W.A. Triple patch to 25, Royce Freeman, Cortland Sutton, Bradley Chubb. Denver. Denver, Rudolph, J.A. I like it. Vet Auto to 25, Fletcher Cox. John, that's Dan at thebreakexchange.com. Eagles. Russell, GR. Oh, I see. You're talking about Cortland Sutton. I get it. Jumbo Jersey Auto to 99, Mark Walton. Bengals. Joshua, H.A. And I need to look up the print run on this next one. It is a prime booklet. Hold on, card number 11. I know I haven't even shown you yet. It is 1099 Prime Signatures Booklet, Sony Michel. Very nice. We can redeem these. Just select that option. When you see this card, it goes right back in your account when it gets back. New England Russell GR. Nice card. And last card, triple patch auto to 25, Kerryon Johnson. He sells very well. Detroit. Russell, GR. All right, next one is up there.